Assalamualaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In today's lecture, I will give you the introduction of grouping symbols and we will solve the questions of exercise 8C. What are the grouping symbols? When we are given to solve plus, minus, divide and multiplication at the same time in the same question or in the same expression, we are required to solve these operations, then we will use the grouping symbols. We have already learned about the Bode-Mass rule. According to Bode-Mass rule, we first do division, uh, and multiplication and plus, and then we will subtract the terms. Now, to make the solution of our problem more easier, we will use the grouping symbols. Now, these are the grouping symbols. This is the bar, a bar above. It is known as vinculum, and this bracket is called parenthesis, and this is called braces. We also call it as curly bracket, and this is the called brackets. We also call it large bracket, and we also call it middle bracket, and we also call it small bracket or parenthesis. In our problem, if we are given all of these symbols, then we will first solve this symbol, then in the second number we will solve this problem, in the third we will solve this braces, and at the last we will take off these brackets. I have written here a simple problem in which the numbers are given with grouping symbols. As we know that when all the symbols are given, we first take off the vinculum. So we will first solve this vinculum. In order to take off this vinculum, we will solve it. 3 multiplying with 2, 6. All other terms and all other symbols will remain as it is, and we will first take off the vinculum. To solve the 3 multiplying 2, we will get 6, and other symbols will remain as it is. Now in the second case, we will solve the parenthesis. Dividing 6 with 6, we will get 1, and hence the parenthesis has been taken off. Now we will write the other terms and other symbols as you can see. Now we will take off this braces. 3 minus 1, 2, and the outside is 5 minus 2. We will write the remaining term, and the last bracket 5 minus 2 we get 3 plus 4 we will get 7. So these are the steps to take off all these symbols. Now look at this step. While we take off these braces, we first have to solve 3 minus 1 to get 2. But if we cannot solve the terms inside the bracket, so we will take off the bracket by changing the sign of each term. Look at this. Now a plus b cannot be solved because these two are not like terms, these are unlike terms. We cannot solve it, and to take off this parenthesis, we will change the sign of each of term, because the outside of parenthesis there is a negative sign. Let me recall that if we are given a parenthesis in which the terms cannot be solved and there is a negative sign outside the parenthesis, so we will take off this by changing the sign of each of term. So plus a should be changed to minus a, and plus b should be changed into minus b, and the other terms outside will remain as it is. Now we will write this term with minus 3b because these are the like terms having the same symbol, and we will write 3b minus b plus 2b. because plus minus minus 3 minus 1 2b, sign of greater value will be lowered. This step we shall do in our exercise problem. In exercise 8c, simplify the terms or algebraic expressions. In the solution, we will first write the problem as it is, and in the problem we are given with braces and also with the parentheses. So we first have to solve this parentheses. As we can see that 3 and 5a are the like terms which can be solved out. Plus 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 5 plus 3, we get 8a. 4a minus 8a. This should be under the braces. In the next step, we will solve this plus minus minus 8 minus 4, 4a, and sign of greater value will be assigned. And here it should be within bracket. And remember that if there is a negative sign outside the bracket or braces or parentheses, we will take off the bracket by changing the sign of the term which is inside the bracket. So minus minus could be plus 4a. This should be plus 4a. Now plus 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 8 plus 4, 12a. Look at question number 3. First of all, we will write the question in the solution as it is, and then we have to take off the parentheses, and then we have to solve the braces, and this also could be done along with this. First we will take off the parentheses, and in this parentheses there are unlike terms which cannot be solved. So we can take off this parenthesis by changing the sign of each of term, as there is a negative sign outside the parenthesis. So this plus b should be changed into minus b, and this minus 3a should be changed into plus 3a. And now there is also an parenthesis, so we can solve it as there are unlike terms within the parenthesis. So we can take off the parenthesis by changing the sign of each of term, as there is a negative sign outside the parenthesis. So plus a should be changed into minus a, and plus 2b should be changed into minus 2b. In the next, these are the like terms which can be solved out. So a plus minus minus 3 minus 1, we get 2, sign of greater value will be allowed. 2b plus 3a minus. Here this a and minus a should be together because these are like terms. Minus 2b and minus 2b should be together because these are also like terms. We can cancel out these terms because these are the same terms having the different signs. And this minus 2b and minus 2b, minus minus plus 2 plus 2, 4, minus 4b. Now while taking off this bracket, there is a minus negative sign outside the bracket, so minus 4b should be changed into plus 4b. Now here we can write a and plus 3a together, separating the like terms. Plus 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 3 plus 1, 4a plus 2b, and look at these 2b and 4b are the like terms which can be added. Plus 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 4 plus 2, 6b, 4a plus 6b, which is the required simplest answer.